Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create an employer account on Indeed. To start this tutorial, go ahead and open profile.indeed.com in your internet browser. Once you are here, follow the cursor of my mouse. This is an example of my employer account. In here, tap on Employers or Post Job. Now wait for the website to load. This might take a few seconds, so bear with us. Now, which option best describes yourself? Just click on the bar and then choose from the options. There you go. I am hiring candidates directly for my employer. Now type in your information, your name, business email address, business name, and business phone number. In here, you can also optionally add your website or Facebook pages. Additional information is also important and key. And then, when you're done, type in Save and Continue. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.